Good morning. Today we're going to continue our talk on properties of numbers. We are going to use what we learned in the factor game to discover different characteristics that numbers have. So we can see here, playing to win, prime and composite numbers. And hopefully yesterday you learned that there were certain numbers, certain types of numbers that really helped us to choose for our first move on the factor game. Did you notice in the factor game that some numbers are better first moves than others? I'm sure you all did. If you chose 22, you got 22 points and your opponent only gets, it should be 13. It says only gets blank points. But yeah, because think about it. You would choose 22 and then your partner could choose 11 times 2. So they would get 13 points and you would get 22. However, if you chose 18, you get 18 points and your opponent gets, and again, it says blank points. So, well, let's think about this. If you choose 18, your partner's going to get 1, 2, 3, 6. Your partner's going to get 9, right? So when you add all of those up, you could see that, is 18 the best first choice? Probably not. Okay, so what you're going to do today is to make a table of all possible first moves. You're going to use numbers 1 through 30 in the factor game. For each move, list the proper factors of the number. Have a great day, Riley. I don't think so. Wait, let me take your picture. Okay, sorry about that. It's her first day of sophomore year. Okay, so what you're going to do is to make this table. I've already created one for you on a Google Doc. So that actually is right here. It's posted, of course, in Google Classroom. So all you're going to have to do is fill it out. Oh, did I click on the wrong one? I sure did. There we go. So I created this table for you, and all you need to do is fill it in. So if your first move was 2, your opponent got 1, right? Because 1's the only proper factor of 2. Remember, when we talk about proper factors, we're not including the number itself. It's just all factors. You can include 1, but it's going to be all factors. And of course, you're going to, this is just for the first move. So for this, we're assuming that no other numbers have been taken. See, it's the first move. So you're listing all proper factors. That includes 1, but does not include the number itself. You can see I did the first couple ones for you. If you chose 3 first, you're going to get 3 and your opponent will get 1. So you're naming the proper factors, giving your score, and then giving your opponent's score. Okay, so that will actually take care of, in the book, you can see, that will take care of A1. All right, and then for A2, they're asking you to describe an interesting pattern that you see in your table. So what you're going to do with this, now, what you can do, because I've made a copy for everyone, you can just continue on this Google Doc and just answer all of these questions. So this is A1, and then you can just come on down here after oh, look at this. I guess I already did this for you. I already typed it all out for you. Well, there you go. And you're only doing, what did I do here? Do I have you doing all of them? Yes, I do. Oh my goodness. I did this on Saturday and forgot that I typed it all out for you. All right, so you guys are going to use this sheet for today's work. It makes it super easy. I've already given you all the spaces for it. So basically, you are completing problem 1.2, and everything you need is here in this Google Doc that will be shared with you. Okay, so it's basically, though, if you would like to do it digitally, you can, of course, access the textbook, but it's all right here. All the questions are here. You've got an answer key right here. There we go. So you do have one additional piece of homework today, aside from what's posted on Google Classroom, which is just a few more of those ACE problems like the ones you did yesterday. You're just doing this page, numbers 8, 9, and 10. I don't know if you can see that. It's all posted in Google Classroom, of course. It's numbers 8, 9, and 10 on page 18. So you did 1 through 7 yesterday. Today you're doing 8, 9, and 10 for homework. Also, guys, the homework's technically really not due until the next day. So, like, just like if you were in school, today's homework's actually due tomorrow. But you guys have a little extra time since you're technically finished a lot earlier than on a regular school day where maybe you wouldn't be getting home till 3:30 or 4. So my suggestion is for you to go ahead and complete the work before 1:45. So at least then you can come to office hours if you have any questions. Okay, this way you don't have to bug your parents. So then what I wanted to show you, this is also a piece of homework. So it's just additional practice. You can record your answers here. I think there's only 3 questions. So homework tonight, numbers 8, 9, 10 on page 18, and then this additional practice sheet, all of which you will find on Google Classroom. These, of course, can be found in the book. And you also have a digital copy of this. If you have any questions, please feel free to go ahead and drop me a comment. There's that private comment section there in the Google Classroom. Or come see me. I'm there at 1:45. The Google Meet code, the link to it is posted right there in the Google Classroom. I hope you have a fantastic day.